Welcome, man. All right, guys, I'm going in the shop to check my air pressure and load up some more. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Oh, let me go get this one right here. I see a radiator sitting out here. Yeah, buddy. I'm like Fred Sanford and son riding around. It's got to be junk. Nobody's gonna set a radiator out here. Well, I can know a good place we can put this. You guessed it, guys, right in the back with all the other radiators, right? Yeah, right. All right. That don't look like much money, but you know what? It's more money than I had before. So I'm about to go in the shop and make sure I got, check my air pressure and all. I don't want no accidents. Make sure this stuff is secure, guys. I'm only going 5 miles down the street, but I still need to make sure this is secured. So, and I think I got some more tabs or something inside. So let me go load the rest of it up, and then we're gonna head out to the scrap yard. All right, let's get it. Air pressure good. Let me make sure I ain't leaving nothing. I don't have room for the big stuff. I'm gonna come back and get the big stuff later. Transmission. Oh, why not, guys? This is every bit of maybe a quarter, maybe a dollar. You know what? That's more quarters than I had, right? Right, that's the way I look at it. Set that right next to that differential. Somebody said, comment on one of my videos, that differential, that Dana, it's worth $500 at least. I don't see, I guess, I don't know what they mean by that, but yeah, well, that's a warranty. They're coming back to get the engines and these. I don't have room. That's a battery, guys. That's under warranty. That's come out of a hybrid minivan. I don't know what they're gonna do with that, but it can't sit here, so I think OSHA can fine us for that stuff. But yeah, that's on the way out. But all right, I'm out of here. All right, load it down. I guess this ain't much money, man. Anybody want to guess? I don't know, maybe 50 bucks, maybe. Let me tie this up just around here so these don't go flying out. Guys, we're gonna head out. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we headed out. But guys, I gotta make one more stop. I saw something interesting on the other side of the shop over there where the tires at. I saw 2 wheels over there. You know what? I want them. That's right, guys. Let me go over here and get a closer look at these wheels, because they look like they belongs on the back of the truck. Is this guy just gonna hit me or what? Wait a minute. Oh, that's the guy. He can't hardly drive, y'all. So, yeah, let me go. I saw, they still over there. Let me go get these wheels, guys. They look like they so belong on here. Where they at? I seen them. Don't hide from me. What are you? Hey, they not all aluminum, but see, they bent. They trash, and they freaking heavy, so we shall see. All right, after this, guys, we headed on out there, so let's get it, guys. All right, guys, change of plans. I was about to head out to the scrap yard, but I hear wlop, wlop, wlop. Y'all know that sound you hear when your tires got something in it, and oh, god dang it. Oh man, no, I'm not chancing that, guys. Number 1, I don't have a spare. And number 2, I don't know if it penetrated. And number 3, the scrapyard closed in an hour. I know it's 5 minutes away, but still. I just had to do this another day. Oh my goodness, I was ready too, boy. Look at that. All right, well. Sorry to disappoint y'all. I don't know who guessed it right. I was wondering if y'all was gonna try to guess and see what I had worked on here, but got to say this for another day. I am not trying. I don't even have a spare. There's no spare back here. So imagine if I have a flat at the scrap yard. At that point, I'm just gonna scrap the whole truck. Where is my spare? Do I have a? I don't know, but I ain't finna chance that. So let me go. We have to do this probably Monday. Today is Saturday, by the way, but. Yeah, so not a good idea. I'm going back in. Now, well, I'm going to be, if I pull this nail out or screw out, whatever it is, and it hasn't penetrated, then I might be upset with myself for not taking a chance, but that's still too big of a gamble, guys. Don't y'all think so? I need some cover. Can somebody put in the comment, yeah, JT, you made the right decision. Just so I can think I made the right decision. But I'm gonna go pull this nail out right now. I'm pretty much, yeah, it's 2 o'clock. I think the place closed at 3. It's almost 2. Like I said, it's 5 minutes away, but they winding down. They ready to go. Today is Saturday. All right, I'll at least go in the shop and see if the nail penetrated. Dang, man, there goes my plan. I needed my truck for the weekend too. To haul some stuff out of the garage. Dadgummit. Alright, so I'm headed back in the shop for a different reason now, not to load up. To find out why I got a freaking screw in my tire. So guys, y'all hold tight, man. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I got this thing in the air. Well, I'm gonna raise it up partially in the air. It look like it's too heavy for this. That's high as I'm going. It's on the other side. Let's go see what we got here. It's on this side. Okay, where's that freaking A? Now, ladies and gentlemen, did it penetrate? Let's see. Yep. Y'all hear that? You can hear it, guys. So if I had to turn it the wrong way, I'd have been screwed. I'd have been on a flat tire out there at the scrap yard. I would have been pissed. All because of this little fella here, which I probably got from the scrap yard. So let me go find some plug kit and plug. As you can see, I don't need to replace the tire, right? Tire got a lot of threads, so we're gonna, yeah, this little booger here. We're gonna plug this thing up, guys. Yeah, you can hear it right there. All right, let me go get a plug kit. All right, guys. Let me go grab a spray bottle, spray on here. Tire's still pretty full, but I'm gonna check the air pressure. Grab a spray bottle, make sure there's no bubbles, and we should be fine, guys. Here it is. This little fella right here ruined my whole freaking day. All right, guys. I don't see any bubbles accumulating around there, so that seems like that's a successful plug. All right. So, like I say, let me top off the air, make sure all the air pressure good. I'm done, guys. So we'll try this again Monday, guys. That's all I have, man. Man, it's a shame, but I was looking forward to it. All right, I gotta go, guys. Hashtag no, it's not a hashtag. I gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.